I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to lock your card on Stripe, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by signing into your Stripe account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in your dashboard, find the payment methods section in the left sidebar. Click on it to view all your cards and payment options. Step 3. Select the card to lock. In the payment methods section, locate the card you want to lock. Click on the card to open its details. Step 4. Lock the card. Look for the option labeled Lock Card on the card details page. Click this option to initiate the locking process. You may need to confirm your choice in a pop-up window. Step 5. Confirm locking. After clicking Lock Card, a confirmation message will appear. Make sure to read it and then confirm that you want to lock the card. This will prevent any transactions from being processed. Remember, if you accidentally lock the wrong card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. I hope this helps you manage your Stripe account more effectively.